On 420, Carl's Jr. tested out a CBD infused burger at one of its Denver locations. For one day only, people could buy the Mountain High Cheeseburger Delight for $4.20. CVS and Walgreens also getting in on the CBD game, adding lotions, patches, and sprays to their drugstore lines. But there's a lot of confusion here, gray area, because the FDA has not figured out how to regulate the products. So we're taking a closer look at this issue in tonight's 360 Perspective. We are seeing a lot of CBD products start to hit the market after the Farm Bill passed late last year. It's popping up in gummies, smoothies, skincare products, pet food even. Right now, it's illegal under the Food, Drug, and Commerce Act to introduce CBD or THC into the food supply or market it as a dietary supplement, regardless of whether it came from hemp or marijuana. Cannabidiol, or CBD, is a non-psychoactive compound found in the cannabis plant. It's different from THC, which provides the high that people get from marijuana. Congress legalized CBD derived from hemp in December with the Farm Bill, and it basically promises to relax the body without altering the mind, like THC. Advocates say it also diminishes stress and can ease pain with a low risk of addiction or abuse. It's also used to control epileptic seizures, but not much clinical research is provided to back up those claims, so it's unknown if there are any safety concerns or long-term impacts at this point. So Congress calling on the FDA to find a solution. Like we saw with the internet, the regulations need to catch up with the industry because it's moving so fast. We had U.S. Senator CORY GARDNER in studio, and he says we need a lot more information to help provide better decisions for families and policymakers.
47 states have now moved forward with some form of legalization of marijuana or CBDs or hemp. 95% of the country's population now live in a state that is providing these kinds of open rules now. But we need more information. We need more studies. I think that if we can get them, if we can find out and have the research, we're going to be able to address this topic so much better.
We told you late last year how a Pueblo County hemp farm is benefiting from the Farm Bill passage. By law, cannabidiol must contain less than 0.3% of THC, and the crop expected to grow the industry to $20 billion as soon as next year. A lot of large companies waiting on the sidelines to introduce it into food and drinks, but you have likely seen small startups introducing it into the food supply. The FDA wants to build lawful pathways for these products to be marketed. Right now, hemp can be marketed with no disease treatment claims. The FDA and FTC issued warning letters, though, to 3 companies for making unproven claims about their CBD products, like helping treat cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Now, late last year, the FDA did approve Epidiolex. That's the first cannabis-based prescription medication used to treat epileptic seizures. But the FDA says legalizing CBD for use in food and dietary products, it could take years. So the agency wants the data on safety in food products and feedback on regulating, marketing, manufacturing, and labeling. Its first public hearing on this issue set for May 31st. If you have an idea or issue you want covered in your 360 Perspective, email 360@koaa.com.